Hey, let's check out this solar powered motion activated LED light. Let's take a look at what's in the box. It comes with the mounting hardware and some batteries, the light fixture itself. The light comes with a mounting bracket that is removable for installation. There's the remote. There are some zip ties included. And here's the solar panel, which has a 16.5-foot cable. The bracket for the light is very easy to install. I screwed it into a ceiling joist. The light screws right up onto the mount. You can swivel the light and each light panel is adjustable. The solar panel can be installed outdoors, but I installed mine in my garage next to this window. The power cable plugs right into the light. There is a battery indicator on the light. It takes 6 to 8 hours to fully charge and the light will last 10 to 12 hours. The light is motion activated and you can adjust how long it stays on with the remote. There is also a light sensor on the light, so you can set this to only turn on when it's dark. Overall, I think this is a good lighting option for a space that you don't have power available.